In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove bloatware apps on your Realme phone. So you can see there are a bunch of bloatware apps that have pre-installed by Realme itself. For example, this one here that I am not able to uninstall this, as you guys can see right here. If I go to app info, I am just able to disable this but not completely install this, sorry, uninstall that. And same thing with YouTube. So if I go to YouTube, you can see app info, it's only disabled there. So to remove this kind of app, you need to use some special tools, and yeah, you will need help of your laptop or computer. So you can see that there are a bunch of other apps as well that I'm not able to uninstall, for example this one as well. But yeah, some apps are some apps you can uninstall from your phone, like Spotify or whatever. Alright guys, so let's uninstall bloatware apps. So to uninstall bloatware apps, you will need to use USB debugging or on your phone. So guys, you will first need to download Android debugging tool, like to bridge the ADB, and then you also need to have this SDK platform tool. So I will just explain you step by step, easy process. And also you will need to download software itself, which is known as universal debootloader, and with help of this tool you are able to uninstall all these junkyard apps. Alright, so let's get started. So first you will need to go to setting on phone, because you will also need to enable developer option. So swipe down, so go to about phone and tap on version if you are on Realme. So in build number, tap 7 times and it should say you are developer. So input a password, go back to system this time, and you should see developer options over there. So tap that and make sure that you have enabled this, and swipe down and make sure that you have enabled USB debugging, because we are going to use USB as well. So tap on OK. So once you guys are done with this, now let's go to the computer or laptop screen. So on your laptop, you need to download universal ADB driver. So you just download this driver and save, and go to this one. Now I will put all the link under my description. So download SDK platform tools for Windows. Alright, so I'm using Windows, so I will be downloading for Windows. If you are using Mac and Linux, you can try that. So just tap that and swipe down and make sure that you check this I agree button, and then download and save. Now go to the software itself, which is known as Universal Android Debootloader, and this is on GitHub. So scroll down and you should see UAD GUI windows.exe. Alright, so you wanted to download this specific one. If you guys are on Linux, you need to download this Linux. So I will go with Windows, so just download that and save this file as well. Now go to your download location, and it's probably on your downloaded folder. So this is my download folder. I want you guys to make this clean, you know, like select this downloaded, like UAD GUI windows.exe and universal ADB driver and everything. So just cut this, create a new folder and type here debootload, and now paste that files here so that you don't mess up anything here. Alright, so first thing is that you will need to install ADB driver, because without that you are not able to connect your Android. Alright, so just go ahead and install this. You might need to restart as well, so just tap on next and click on yes, and then close. Now you will need to extract this platform tool. So you need to right click here and extract all, extract. So it opened me the new folder for this one, so I need to close this. So you can see it just extract the folder here. So now all you need to do is copy this UAD GUID. So just cut or copy and go to platform tools and paste this file over there, just like that. Now after that, you will need to plug your phone with the USB, just like I am doing right here. So let me plug this. Let me show you that. Now go to your computer screen, click on address bar, and then type here cmd Yeah, exactly. Just type CMD and enter. All right, hit an enter, and it should open up the CMD for you, just like that. So let me increase the phone size here so that you guys can see that. Now just type your ADB devices. So now after you have input this command, so just hit an enter and keep an eye on your phone. So you can see that it's now asking you to allow USB debugging. So yeah, tap that always allow from computer and tap on allow. Now you guys have so just go ahead and type once again ADB devices. This time it should show you authorize, you will see the device. You can see that. So last time it was unauthorized, now this is authorized for this device. All right, now go back and make sure to open UAD GUID exe, the software that you have just copied. So open this app or program. Now this will detect your device. All right, it's a Realme. You can see that. Now it will show you all the recommended first. So here so in this software you can see it just select recommended here, but you can also use this as all unsafe or whatever. So it's up to you, but make sure that you know what you guys are doing. All right, or you might break your phone. So if you go to unsafe, you can see that you can literally uninstall the Android itself. So you don't want to do that. All right, so just go to safe or just recommended and try to find the application that you don't need. For example, this fin shell. Okay, so to find the fin shell, just you can type here like fin shell, and you can simply find that and tap that, and you can see this icon. It will disappear if I try to if I hit install. So now if I hit uninstall, the fish or fin shell is gone. So let me uninstall this, and you can see that. Boom, there we go. Let's say YouTube itself, because I was not able to remove this. So there we go, we have YouTube right here, and you can check that YouTube icon. The main application YouTube is here. So clicking on uninstall, boom, bada boom, and it's that simple. So you need to do whatever apps that you don't like, or if you think that should not be on your phone, then you need to uninstall. And also make sure that it is safe to uninstall. All right, so just choose the recommended one and you are good to go. So by doing this, you will save some storage on your phone, and as well as you will see some battery increase, or yeah, it will boost battery as well. So yeah, this is how you should debloat your phone. All right, so I'm just going to debloat every apps that I don't need it here. Let me pause the video. So also you need to use this package name viewer, because some apps that you were not able to find. For example, if I search here like Google One, so you can see that it's not existing because the package name of that is different. So let's search here, let's choose the system and search at Google One. So here's a Google One, so search that, and this is the name. It's saying like subscription.red. So if you type here red now, you should see the same package. This is the Google One that you wanted to remove. Alright guys, so this is the Google One that I wanted to remove. So let me show the Google One here for you, which is not able to remove myself. You can see that. Now let's go ahead, uninstall. Boom, there we go. Now do same thing for the TV, home, whatever you wanted to. All right, I think these are all the bloatware, and you don't want it to be them on your phone. And yeah, this is it guys. This is how you should debloat your entire Realme, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.